Hello children, I am Shruti and today I am here to cover a very interesting topic about the speeches of grammar. But before we start, let's have a look on what is a grammar. Grammar explains the forms and structure of words called morphology and how they are arranged in sentences called syntax. In other words, grammar provides the rules for the common use of both spoken and written language so that it can be easily understood. अगर हम सिंपल वर्ड्स में बोले तो ग्रामर उसको बोलते हैं जो कि हमें एक रूल बताती है कि हमें अपने लैंग्वेज को किस तरह से यूज करना है अपने डे टू डे लाइफ में, वेदर इट इज इन द रिटन फॉर्म या फिर हम ओरली इन द कन्वर्जेशन हम उसको किस तरह से यूज करते हैं ताकि उसमें ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक्स ना हो और वो इजिली अंडरस्टैंडेबल. The building blocks of grammar are the 8 parts of speech. Okay, so number one is the nouns, and noun is what are how many types of nouns are there? There are altogether 10 types of nouns. So this is a very interesting topic. So let's understand what is a noun. Noun is a part of a speech that is used to name or identify a person, place, thing, or an idea. In simple words, कुछ भी, चाहे वो people हो, place हो, animal हो, birds हो, object, everything is being covered under a noun. Okay. Now, noun has been broadly classified into number of nouns. The first one is a proper noun. As the name suggests, this is a noun which is used to name a person, place, thing specifically, and it is called a proper noun. Usually, it starts with the capital letter. For example, my name is Rose. So, I am giving my identity कि मेरा नाम Rose है. आप मेरे को कैसे पहचानोगे? I am Rose. So Rose here is a proper noun. Again, if I say that David came from London, so where did he came from? He came from London. So David as well as London, both will be a proper noun. Very good. Next, we go to the common noun. A common noun is unlike proper noun. It refers to all the generic item, groups, place, things, objects, animals, everything. Suppose, example, I say that I bought a pen yesterday from the market. So, am I mentioning the brand of the pen? No, I am not mentioning. I just said मैं एक पेन लेकर आई हूँ. So वो रेनॉल्ड का भी हो सकता है, किसी भी कंपनी का हो सकता है. But I have not mentioned that. मैंने बोला मैं पेन लेकर आई हूँ. So that is a common noun. I am going to a school. I did not said whether मैं DAV में जा रही हूँ या सेंट जेवियर्स में जा रही हूँ. So it is a school. It is a common noun. Now we move to the next one, that is a singular noun. The name itself is very clear. Anything which has a single name about its person, place, animal, bird is called a singular noun. Examples could be, this is a little boy, that is my daughter. A car came all the way from the street. So all these things are what? Single things. Hence it is called a singular nouns. What could be plural then? Anything which is more than one. And it usually ends as S, ES, IES or VES. So that is a plural noun. What can be the examples? I need some apples. S. I need some mangoes. S. I need some boxes. Again, ES. Okay. So this is a plural noun. Hope the things are very, very understandable to all of you. Next. We move to countable nouns. What are the countable nouns? Which we can count and measure. I bought 8 pairs of shoes. I'm able to mention that I have bought 8 pairs of shoes. Mom asked me to buy a dozen of eggs. Dozen means 12. So I'm able to count it, right? So that is a countable nouns. What can be uncountable nouns? Those which I am not able to count. Like I have a lot of homework. I am not specifying how much homework. I'm just saying that I have a lot of homework. I have a cup of tea. A cup of tea. मैंने ये नहीं बताया मेरे को कितना चाहिए. मैंने ये बताया खाली cup of tea. Okay, so we cannot count it like that. So anything which is not countable, जिसको हम नहीं count कर सकते हैं, जो concrete और abstract नहीं है, वो उसको बोला जाता है uncountable nouns. What can be a collective noun? Collective noun means a group of objects, animals, people, like a pride of lions, a flock of sheep, a band of musicians, a pair of shoes. तो एक group को हम बोलते हैं, उसको बोलते हैं collective nouns. What is a concrete noun? It is a very interesting one. Concrete noun refers to any objects that are material and which can be seen, like a cup, windows, bus, book, table. Anything that we are able to see is a concrete nouns. What can be the opposite of concrete? It's abstract, which we cannot see, but we can feel it. Like love, honesty, freedom, courage, Jealousy, we cannot see that, but we can definitely feel them. The last one is the compound noun. As the name suggests, it is made up of two or smaller words. दो वर्ड्स से बना है ये, ठीक है। और जरूरी नहीं है कि जब ये दोनों वर्ड्स को हम तोड़ेंगे तो वो नाउन ही रहेगा। इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी। लाइक स्मार्ट बोर्ड, द स्मार्ट बोर्ड इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, सो स्मार्ट is not a noun, it is a adjective.